Hello, I'm a massive Star Wars fan. I first saw Star Wars in the cinema when I was about 6 years old. I think I watched The Phantom Menace, and since then I've just been addicted to the whole film saga. So when I heard that they were releasing a new Star Wars film this year, I was obviously really excited. So in anticipation for that, and because it's May the 4th, which is National Star Wars Day, I thought I'd make a video about one of my favourite characters from the prequel trilogy, which is Padme Amidala. The thing that's most interesting about her is the way her costumes differentiate between each film. Her character really stands out from the others because she wears really extravagant, elaborate costumes. So I looked into where the costume designers took the inspiration from, and it's actually from different monarchs from different periods of history, such as a Mongolian empress from the 19th century. And I think this is a really cool, interesting thing to do, taking historical costumes and recreating them in a sci-fi setting. I thought that was a really clever thing to do. Um, so in the first film, this is how she dresses, and I think it's quite representative of the fact she's young and royal. She's experimenting, and then in the second film, she still has elements of that extravagant costume, but it's more mature and it's more soft to fit with the romance that's actually blossoming within her life in the second film. Another thing in the second film that I thought was really fun was the fact we see her in a more battle ready costume because it's getting to the point where there's a war happening. So even the Queen herself's getting involved, and I just thought that was really fun to see a different side to the character. And then finally, in the third film, her extravagant nature had been toned down quite a bit, but she still holds a kind of regal air about her. And then when she dies, her funeral dress is actually really pretty. It's really soft, and she's in water with flowers, and I think that's almost kind of representative of Ophelia from Hamlet. And I thought it just fit the character perfectly. It fit her storyline, and it was a perfect way to say goodbye to a character that was so important and vital in the first three films. Um, so yeah, I hope you learned maybe a little bit. And if there's any other characters that you like in Star Wars or think that have better fashion or whatever, then please comment below. And yeah, thanks for listening.